Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into what could be the best portable work fan out there, the Stsase portable fan with a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Whether you're working on a hot job site, fishing under the sun, or just trying to stay cool during outdoor activities, this fan promises to be your trusty companion. Let's get into the features that make this fan stand out. First, let's talk about design. This fan is compact and incredibly portable. It's designed as a mini waist fan, making it perfect for hands-free cooling. It's equipped with two clips, one for your waist and another for your garment. You can even hang it around your neck using the included necklace strap, giving you multiple ways to carry it without hassle. No more struggling to hold a fan while trying to stay cool. It's a simple, effective solution for long hours in the heat. When it comes to performance, this fan does not disappoint. Powered by a 10,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 24 hours of continuous use on a single charge, depending on your settings. Imagine staying cool all day, whether you're working in the garden, hiking, or even during outdoor events like fishing. With a quick 3 to 4 hour charging time through any USB-enabled device, you can quickly juice it up and be back in action. It also supports fast 2A charging, ensuring minimal downtime. Now, let's dive into the fan's speed options. The Stsase portable fan comes with 3 adjustable speeds, from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust at 5,100 RPM. Whether you need a soft airflow to keep you comfortable or a strong breeze to cool you down in intense heat, this fan has you covered. And don't worry about it being noisy. The fan operates at a noise level of less than 57 decibels, so you can keep cool without disturbing your surroundings. This makes it a great choice for workplaces or outdoor environments where noise could be a concern. The fan is built to withstand the elements. Its casing is made from durable polymer plastic, which means it's tough enough for long-term outdoor use. Whether you're working on a farm, gardening, or enjoying an outdoor adventure, this fan is made to keep going even in demanding conditions. One of the most standout features of this fan is its versatility. It's not just for the job site or farm. You can use it during your travels, outdoor events, and even in the kitchen or laundry room for some extra airflow. The lightweight and hands-free design make it perfect for a wide range of activities, ensuring you stay cool wherever you go. Finally, let's talk about the package. Inside, you'll find the fan itself, a USB charging cable, a neck strap for added convenience, and a user manual to get you started. It's all packed and ready for you to take it wherever you need. In conclusion, the Stsase portable fan with its 10,000 mAh battery, multiple speed options, long working time, and hands-free design, makes it the best portable work fan available. Whether you're tackling a hot day at work, heading on a hike, or just trying to stay cool while working outdoors, this fan will be your perfect partner. If you want to make your outdoor activities or work life more comfortable, this fan is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.